Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon K. And in this lesson, we'll see or we'll discover together le suffixe isé, I-S-E-R. Okay, so after doing some videos regarding les préfixes, now we'll try to see a little bit what we call les suffixes. Okay, so les suffixes, actually, we're talking about these letters that you can put or you can add at the end of existing words, and by adding these letters you will modify it or you will change the meaning, or in that case we will change adjectives into verbs. Okay, so that's the whole idea of this video, and here we'll only focus on the adjectives that will end with AL. Okay, AL. And then, well, as we saw, we will just add at the end of these adjectives this ISER just to make a verb. Okay, so let's see a few examples now. And the first one is banal. Okay, so here is the meaning in English. Okay, so if we want to make a verb out of this adjective, then we only need to, as I say, put this ISER at the end, and then you will get banaliser. Banaliser. Okay, so adjective banal, verbe banaliser. Brutal, and then we will get brutaliser. Okay, brutal, and then you just add this ISER at the end and you'll get brutaliser. Central, centraliser. Okay, exactly the same way. Central, and then the verb centraliser. Égal, égaliser. Égal, égaliser. Général, généraliser. Général, généraliser. Légal, légaliser. Légal, légaliser. National, nationaliser. National, nationaliser. And that's it. If you want more videos, then the YouTube channel is waiting for you. It's Imagier, and then don't forget to like me on Facebook, facebook.com/imagier.net, and then the website is waiting for you if you want more videos, more material, whatever. And then don't forget to send me a little message. It's possible to send it right here, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.